Ever wonder why your smoothie never comes out quite as creamy as you hoped? Turns out, picking the right smoothie blender is a bigger deal than most of us realize. Not all blenders are created equal, and the one you use can totally change your smoothie game. First, think about how often you'll blend. If you're making smoothies daily, a high-powered blender is worth it. They crush ice, nuts, and frozen fruit like it's no big deal. For the casual smoothie fan, a smaller personal blender does the job and saves space. Pay attention to features. Do you want easy cleanup, multiple speed settings, or to blend right into a to-go cup? Don't forget about durability and noise. No one wants a blender waking up the house. And your budget matters. While pricier models can last longer, there are great affordable options that work well if you do a bit of research. Bottom line, the best smoothie blender is the one that fits your routine, space, and wallet. Whether you're all about green drinks or protein-packed mixes, a good blender will make things easier and tastier.
Ready to upgrade your smoothie blending game? Check out your options before you make a purchase and transform your morning smoothie routine. Please scan this code to access the article.